What's up, everybody? Welcome back. Happy 2025. What a time to be alive. Trump almost in power, geopolitical events around the world, and some crazy tariff talks. Man, it is going to be a packed year. I'm so excited to be in the trading game, and I'm so excited to be here with you. If you don't know who I am, I'm a trader, I'm a traveler, I'm an entrepreneur, I'm a biohacker, I'm a mentor, and by day trade, I'm a cloud computing expert.
I love gold so much that I even lost my genitalia in an unfortunate smelting accident.
So with 2025 officially started, I think it's time for us to start making some good old plans and to try and reflect on what went wrong last year, to drop any bad habits, and to start making some commitments to ourselves to make 2025 the best trading year ever. My goal with this channel is to assist as many people as possible to have the greatest and most fulfilled lives that they possibly can. I'm not here to teach you trading. What I am here to do is try and provide you with a framework where you can find what is the best trading approach for yourself. Now, trading involves three main aspects as far as I'm concerned: technical analysis, psychology, and risk management. The first one is probably the easiest. So technical analysis, you could probably learn within 2 to 3 months, and there's plenty of videos online that'll teach you that. Unfortunately, I'm here to tell you that most of it is probably not what you're expecting. There is no magic bullet to anything. If you want to see a better person explain all of this, go look at iMan Trading. He's debunked a lot of the technical analysis out there, and what you're probably looking at is about a 50% win rate. So that brings us down to the last two: psychology and risk management. The base of the pyramid for psychology, at least in my opinion, is going to be consistency. Consistency not only with the strategy that you use, consistency not only with the journaling and tracking of all the trades that you do use, but consistency with your lifestyle out of trading, because everything that you do out of trading is going to translate directly into trading. So you've got to have a good, consistent approach. Remember, how you do one thing is how you do everything. You want to make sure that every session that you get into the markets, you are well equipped, you're well rested, you've got the right energy, you've got the right mindset, and your body is in a physical position where you are able to sustain a lot of the physical and emotional pressures that training will put upon you. So I'm going to be creating a video series on consistency. So how do you create consistency? Well, consistency starts with everything that you do on a daily basis from the moment that you get up in the morning. So something like consistently making your bed, or brushing your teeth, or drinking a glass of water, or doing push-ups, or exercise, or taking walks. These are going to build consistent habits which are going to translate perfectly into the trading game. So where do I start? Well, I'm glad that you asked that question. Let's dive into it. So with this video series, what I'm hoping to do is to give you a framework not only for trading but for life, right? You want to make sure that you are in peak physical condition, you are optimally prepared for the day ahead and the session ahead, and that you come into your sessions with the right mindset to ensure that you can execute your trades flawlessly each and every single day. What this is going to cover is things like your eating game, right? So quality matters. You want stable energy levels. You want to make sure that the foods that you're eating aren't going to make you crash halfway through your session and are going to keep you focused and sustained throughout your trading session. Next, we're going to look at your physical condition. How can we improve that, right? I'm going to give you some tips and tricks that have kept me absolutely in the peak physical condition of my life, right? What does good exercise look like? What is good cardio? What is good strength training? And how can you just do little tweaks throughout your day to improve your general well-being and health? Then we'll look at things like meditation and mindfulness, right? There's little tips and tricks that we can do on a daily basis, and it doesn't take all day, and you don't have to become a guru or a monk in order to do these, but they have and they are proven to give you a mental edge, not only in the trading game, but in life in general. Then, as always, we'll look at one of my favorite topics, which is journaling. But instead of just looking at your trading journal, we'll look at journaling from your physical perspective and your mental perspective. What can you do to track your mental well-being so that you know which days or which months or what emotional cues you have that should either keep you in the markets or get you out of the markets quicker? Then I want to touch on something that I find quite important, right? And that's mastering self-talk. I want to show you what the power of positive consistency in terms of your self-resilience and the things that you say to yourself in your head that are going to help you push through some of the darkest times, not only in trading, but of your life. Then I'm going to take you through some things on what I've found to be great ways to do goal setting. The power of visualization can definitely help you with your clarity on why you're in the trading game and what it is that you're trying to achieve, not only out of trading, but of life itself. Then we look at some of the rather nuanced things like your office environment and the ergonomics of the office that you have. What is a good place to be doing trading? What does a good desk look like? And what does it actually do to you mentally? A good, clean, well-organized office has a profound effect on you, and there's plenty of scientific studies that can show that. Then let's look at the diversity of your life. It's a pretty weird subject to talk about, but if you're looking at trading as the one thing that's going to give you joy and happiness, unfortunately, you're likely going to fall into the trap of becoming a gambler. Trading is there to make money. It's not there to get your excitement, and it certainly shouldn't be getting you sad if something goes wrong. You've got to be engaging in consistent habits and hobbies and activities outside of trading that give you that joy and happiness. This will promote a better trading mindset. Next, I'm going to bring in a friend of mine. He's a sleep coach. He's an absolute legend, and he's helped me dramatically in my life to improve my sleep. It sounds pretty stupid, but great sleep that actually gives you consistent quality energy that helps with cognitive function and emotional stability. Then we'll bring it all together and we'll wrap it all up with how do we integrate this into your life? Real transformations come from sticking to these habits over time, and what can we do on a daily basis to ensure that we are tracking what we're doing and that we're consistently being consistent? So in the end, what I'm trying to do is to help you build habits, long-term habits, which can make you the best trader that you can possibly be, right? Like I said to you, the purpose of this channel is to help and empower as many people as possible, not only in the trading game, but hopefully take a lot of the lessons that we learn from trading and integrate them into our lives to become better people. Consistency is the common strategy and thread across all of these themes. Whether it's nutrition, exercise, mindfulness, or environment, by committing to small, steady improvements each and every single day, traders like yourself can cultivate the mental clarity, resilience, and holistic well-being that they need to excel in the markets and in life. Man, I cannot wait to get into it. I'm going to be getting these videos out ASAP, so they're going to be coming out on a regular. I'm hoping to get a few out this week so we can wrap it all up, and then we can start concentrating on what 2025 offers at us from a trading perspective. Thank you very much for being with me, man. You guys are legends. Looking forward to you. Have a great day, and peace out.